Hi everyone, welcome back to Blissful Blessings with Mittal. Today we are going to talk about something very powerful, the 12 universal laws. These are like the hidden rules of the universe. Just like gravity keeps us on the ground, these laws quietly shape our life, our energy, and even the results we see every day. When you understand them, life starts to make a lot more sense. So let's dive in and explore these laws together. Law of Divine Oneness. This law says that everything is connected, nothing exists separately. We are all part of one big energy. Think of a spider's web. If you touch one corner, the whole web moves. In the same way, every thought, word, and action creates a ripple that touches others. So, if we send out kindness, love, and compassion, the energy spreads far and wide, and eventually it comes back to us too. Law of vibration. Everything in the universe vibrates, from the tiniest atom to the biggest planet, and that includes us. Every thoughts and feelings carry vibrations. Positive thoughts raise our vibration, while fear, anger, or sadness lowers it. That's why when you walk into a room, you can instantly feel if the energy is heavy or joyful, because vibration is real. The key is to choose thoughts and emotions that keep your vibration high. Law of correspondence. This law says, as above, so below, as within, so without. It means our outer life is a reflection of our inner world. If we carry peace, gratitude, and love inside, our outside world will mirror that. But if we carry chaos inside, life will show us more chaos. So instead of only focusing to fix the outside, we first need to bring harmony within. Law of attraction. This is the most popular one. It says that like attracts like. Whatever we focus on, we attract more of it. If we constantly think about problems, we pull more problems. If we think with gratitude and visualize good things, we start attracting them. It's like tuning into a radio station. The frequency you set is the music you hear. Law of inspired action. The law of attraction works best when paired with this law. It says we must take inspired action towards our goals. It's not just about wishing or daydreaming. The universe supports us when we take steps, even small ones, in the direction of our desires. Think of it like planting a seed. You still need to water it and give it sunlight for it to grow. Law of perpetual transmutation of energy. Energy is always moving, always changing. Nothing ever stays the same. This law teaches us that we can shift negative into the positive. If you feel low, you can raise your vibration through meditation, affirmations, breath work, or even being in nature. It's a reminder that we always have the power to transform our energy. Law of cause and effect, also known as karma. Every action has a reaction. This is what we often call karma. Nothing happens by accident. What we send out into the world eventually comes back. If we put out honesty and kindness, life reflects that back to us. If we put out negativity, that too will return. It's like planting seeds. The kind of seeds you plant is the kind of tree you'll grow. Law of compensation. This law is like an extension of karma. It says that the universe always balances things out. The good you do, the energy you share, the effort you put in, it all gets rewarded in some form. It may not come right away, and it may not come in the way you expect, but it always comes. It's the law that ensures fairness in the long run. Law of relativity. This law says that nothing is good or bad on its own. everything is relative. We understand things only by comparing them. For example, your challenges may feel heavy, but when compared to someone else's, you may see them differently. It reminds us to put life into perspective and to stop comparing too much because everyone's journey is unique. Law of polarity. Everything has an opposite: light and dark, hot and cold, and joy and sorrow. We only understand one because of the other. Without darkness, we wouldn't appreciate light. Without sadness, we wouldn't fully value happiness. This law helps us accept life's ups and downs and teaches us that challenges are not the end, but a way to help us grow. Law of rhythm. Everything in life flows in cycles and rhythms. Just like the seasons, the moon phases, or the tide of oceans. Our life too has ups and downs, expansion and rest. When we fight against these natural rhythms, we feel stuck. But when we flow with them, life feels easier. This law teaches us patience and trust in divine timing. Law of gender. This law is not about male or female, it's about energies. We all carry masculine energies like action, logic, and strength, and feminine energy like intuition, creativity, and nurturing. Balancing is the key. When we unite both energies inside us, we live in harmony and alignment. So these are the 12 universal laws. They are always at work whether we know about them or not. When we start living in alignment with them, life flows with more clarity, peace, and purpose. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Blissful Blessings with Mittal, and let me know in the comments which law spoke to your heart the most.